Hey guys, it's Denise here. Welcome back to another video and thank you so much for watching, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So let's get straight into this video because I'm super excited. Okay, so as you guys can see, have packages from House of Supplies and I haven't opened them yet. I wanted to open them with you guys. It has taken me a very long time to decide if I wanted to subscribe to their subscription. I've read the reviews and I was going back and forth. I saw a lot more bad than good, but I finally gave it a go. I was like, what's the worst thing that can happen? You know, all I have to do is cancel it if I don't like, you know, what I receive, or if I have any trouble or whatever. I mean, the subscription is only $12.99, so I mean, you can't beat that price. Let's go ahead and open it. First of all, I love their packaging. Love the butterflies and the pink. It's a pretty pink. I love the butterflies. So I did get 2 subscriptions. Let me let you guys know what my subscriptions are. I subscribed to the Icy Girl box and I believe it's the nail box. I think I did my subscription on March, I want to say March 15. And then like by March, I think 19, I got an email that it was on its way. And then I think by March 26th or so, it was already delivered. I want to say those are the correct dates. So you guys do the math on how long it took to receive, but I don't think it took that long. So let's go ahead and open the first one. I'm super excited. As you can, like I just said, I think I got it back in March and it's already April, so I've been waiting a long time to open these. So I'm super excited. So I'm not sure what box this is until I open it. So the first thing that I see is nail tips, and they're the extra long ones, the stiletto. So I got a little packet of that. And I actually already have some of these, but I've ordered those from Amazon. I'm glad I got some more of these because I actually use these for my practice hand, my Reddit One hand. So that's what I use them for. And like I said, this is my first time subscribing to their subscription. So, and then I got these this little pom-pom, you know, those magnet pom-poms that you put on your nails. So I'm super excited about that. And actually, my Sassy Boo gave me one of these. So now I got a matching pair. So that fits perfectly. So now I have a pair to go on one hand and the other one in the other. All right, and let's see what else I got. I want to say this is the nail box subscription. And let's see. And then I got some foil, some gold foil or gold flakes, whatever you guys know them as, and I got a good amount. So here already, I believe it already surpasses the $12.99 that you have to pay a month. So I like that. So I'm not gonna take them all out, but I got gold, silver, copper, and then ooh, I even got like gold with like bluish in it, so that's nice. And like I was saying, I was super hesitant to get the, you know, to subscribe to this, but so far so good for my first package. And then I got some letter stickers, which I think is pretty cool. I love the old school letters. And then I got some more stickers with Hermes, Gucci, Fendi, bougie. Ooh, look at this. Oh, wow. So this is cool. I've never seen this before. Let me see. I know I have read some reviews about people getting the same thing or not getting their package at all or anything like that. But so far, like I said, I don't think the delivery took so long because I think I subscribed towards the end of the month, and that's when they send out their packages. So I think probably the best thing to do is subscribe towards the end of the month so your packaging won't delay, of course. And these are, I'm not sure how I'm gonna incorporate this into my nails, but this is pretty cool. Let's see. They're like bracelets, not bracelets, but little chains. Yeah, I'm not sure how I would use these, but we'll figure something out. So I thought that was nice. This is interesting. I've never seen anything like this. Let's see what else we got. Okay, so we got more nail tips. Oh, we got another pom-pom. So they actually do give you a matching pair, so that's nice. And then I got more stiletto extra long tips. Oh, and then we got the selfie ring light, which is pretty cool. I've never seen anything like this in any subscription. I actually already have one that I purchased myself on Amazon, and this one's pink. So I can tell you guys that this is pretty awesome. You just put it on your phone and you get the perfect lighting. So I thought this was nice. I mean, I've never seen anybody put anything like this in their subscription boxes. So this is pretty cool. And I still have more. Oh, I got some rhinestones. You can never have enough rhinestones, so that's nice. And then that is it for this first package. So you guys, we got a lot of stuff here. Like I said, this is already above $12.99. That is awesome. I loved everything, so I'm pretty impressed with this package. All right, let's move on to the next one. And I believe this was the icy one, so it should be nothing but like rhinestones or things like that. So let's see. And then I was looking on their website, and I think they've added a new box, and it's called the Vanity Box, which is also $12.99. So I thought that was pretty cool. And let me let you guys know what it comes with. So it comes with skincare tools and products like strip lashes, hair accessories, and essentials, and more. So guys, if you guys love already their other boxes or packages, you guys will love this one. Okay, so I think okay, so I believe this is the icy one. So this is what's in what I first took out. So it's more nail tips, which I'm not mad about, because like I said, I do use them to practice on my red iguana hand. So we got more nail tips. Another thing of nail tips. And then we got more rhinestones, which these rhinestones also came in this box, which again, I'm not upset about. I don't mind it. Like I said, I use rhinestones, so you can never have too much. And then we got more nail tips. We got stickers with Chanel. Oh, it's just Chanel. And then we got another sticker. So it's Louis Vuitton. I'm a little confused because this is the icy box. So I was assuming it was going to be nothing but rhinestones. Maybe not. So this is my third packet of rhinestones, the same one. And then here we got disposable surface, super durable adhesive force. So we got no wipe glue gel. It's 15 mLs. We got something to hold down your gems, which is closed. So I'm not gonna open it, but I mean, I got all these rhinestones, so I'm gonna need some kind of glue, right? We got gem glue. Oh, look at this. These are, I think they're called Pixies. I love these. I've been wanting to get some of these. Look at that. They're so pretty. I love this little thing. All right, so we got Pixies. And let's see. We got more nail tips. And that was it for that package. This package, I loved this. I like that we got some gem glue, but I don't know how I feel about, I mean, again, I use tips to practice, but I was expecting more rhinestones since it's the icy box, and I think that's what this box should have been about, or this package. And then we got stickers, so I was expecting more rhinestones, but I don't know. We'll give it another go. This is just my first order. We'll see how the second order goes. Let's give them a fair shot. But overall, I'm happy with everything I got. I can use everything I got. I'm not too worried about it. So, and it's $12.99 a month only, and you can cancel at any time. So House of Suppliez, let me know what you guys think, and if you guys are subscribed to their boxes, let me know what you guys think, if you guys are satisfied or if you just called it quits already. But so far I'm good. Yeah, let me know what you guys think, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.